Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily into technical analysis. Let's get serious because the charts are tanking, guys. Sell all of your bags, every single last dollar and penny, okay? Do not hold. Do not get this 20x. Do not pass go. I'm just kidding, guys. This is a natural retracement and it is nothing to worry about. In this video, we will be going over what we need to look for in order to see strong support and buying pressure step in order for this to be considered a healthy retracement. Right now, it is stepping into the healthy retracement territory. I do not have a mouse, so I'm not going to draw that out. But, yes, let's get straight into these charts. Bada bing, bada boom. Hit that subscribe button for daily technical analysis on Dogelon Mars and semi-daily live streams, so you guys can hop in and ask me some questions. So, as we can see, the Fibonacci level, we will get into that in a second. However, this is our previous line of support, okay? How did we get it? This top here, we had not only one, but we had two, okay? Perfect. So, for it to retrace back down to these support levels will be a very healthy sign and natural sign, indicating that buyers are stepping it up, pushing it back down, and then buyers are feeling comfortable getting back in. Let me use this. Right around these support levels, making a higher floor. What is a floor? A floor is the base price where the price holds because there is buying pressure. Okay, so like right here, we had a floor on these 657s because it wouldn't drop below it. Boom, it was hitting the floor. Boom, it was hitting the floor. So, we even came down, pretty much put in a triple bottom. 1, 2, 3 on these floors, right? So, if those of you who have been following the channel, have been following along and, watching my non-financial advice or anything, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is advice. It's just simple crypto opinion from a crypto billionaire. However, I've been saying that once we're nearing this triple bottom, because we have a 1, we have a 2, and we have another triple bottom here now. But in the past, when it was here, dropping, right? Dropping towards the floor, 1, 2. Because at the time, it looked more like this. As it dropped lower, if the volume tapered down, it would be a very nice buying opportunity. So those of you who had followed my trading strategy, one of them, you will be up a nice profit right now. Almost around 100%. You would have been 100% right at the tip top, and we will be past 100% within the next coming weeks. That is my assumption. And this is why. Boom. We want to see some buying. We want to see it come down here, okay? And show some buying pressure. Now, we have two options. As you can see, the 0.5 Fibonacci level is lining up perfectly to where it is retracing right now. If this body, red wick, if the bottom of this red body closes above this 0.5 Fibonacci level at these 974 levels today, that will indicate we have a strong sign. We have more of a possibility that these 974s will be created as the new floor, indicating the buyers are stepping in at a higher price, indicating the charts are more bullish, indicating we are going to make a lot of money in the near future. Okay, so what we want to see is today close above these 974s, and then tomorrow a nice, huge, mark this, huge green candle pushing up higher than these 1023s. If we can see that, that is very, very extremely bullish, okay? However, if it closes above these 974s, if it closes below these 974s on the bottom of the red wick, we will most likely be heading back down to these 0.618 levels to retest again, which is completely fine. Do you know why? Because just a couple days ago, these levels were previous resistance, all right? So as we come back down, we will be able to see the true market sentiment. Will these previous resistances turn into new supports? We shall see. it will be confirmed within the next 3 days what we need to be doing in these markets, all right? Right now, if you are looking to average in, just consider waiting for some confirmation. If you are not in the Patreon, check it out because I alert you on real-time buy and sell alerts and the confirmations that we need. I do all the chart watching for you. So, as this comes down, first confirmation. We have two, pay attention. We have two separate forms of confirmation. Two separate options here. The first, we close above these 974s and we push higher than these 1020s with more volume on the lower time frames than seen before. Right around here. So approximately this much volume. All right. Boom, right? Pushing higher. Great. That's our first option. Our second option, going back to the daily candles, is if it closes below these 974s, we will come back down to retest. Now, from here, if we can break it, the floor is not confirmed, and we will be safe to average in at a lower price in the future and wait for confirmation. However, that if it breaks below these 874s, that is not considered confirmation. That just means that we are going to get a discount in the near future, which I am. If that happens, honestly, if it breaks below this, I'm going to be eating these markets up, especially with what we're seeing on Bitcoin holding above $45,000 for this long now. It is looking quite nice right now. Things can change. Don't get me wrong. And if it does change, I will be the first to tell you the truth. Okay? I will be the first to read these prices, read the price action and what's going on, and let you guys know. All right. Right now, we got to really watch out. If it drops below these 634s again, while Bitcoin is spiking to 50,000, that is a huge red flag. But it's not doing that, all right? We have seen a correlation in price between Bitcoin and Dogelon Mars since the beginning, and I don't see that changing at all in the near future. And Dogelon Mars pays dividends. It pays exponential returns as opposed to Bitcoin because this market cap is so much smaller. It's only at a $534 million market cap. Shiba Inu is around 30 billion right now. And that is what we are aiming to hit, all right? This has the potential to do so. Anyways, the second option, back on track. Got a little sidetracked. First option, sum it up. Close above these 974s and push higher than these 1023 levels tomorrow with volume. Boom. First option. That's with confirmation, average in. Bada bing, bada boom. Second option. We come down here, show strong support and an immediate bounce around these 878 levels with volume. All right, huge green candle pushing back up at these 0.5s. So it comes down here and staggers around for a little bit. That is not the most bullish sign. All right, if it comes down here and breaks through these 878 levels to the downside, that is not the most bullish sign. That means we will most likely be coming back down to these 750 levels to get a better price. However, I don't necessarily see that happening as Bitcoin is holding above this $45,000 level. If it drops below that $45,000 level, this is completely possible. But if it doesn't, then I don't think it is possible. So anything's possible, but I don't think it's likely. All right. That's our two options. All right. So sum it up. First, closes above these 974. Closes above these 97. Is these 974s? The 974, right? I am very confused. Why is it looking like this? Okay, got it. First option, closes above this 974s on the daily candles on this day, red candle. Pushes up tomorrow with volume, closing above these 1023s. Boom, average in, make money. Second option, it comes back down within the next 2 days to these 877 levels. Within the next week, we should see a nice bounce with volume, pushing back higher than these 978s, which will turn previous resistance into new support. Boom, average in, confirmation, make money. Crypto billionaire 69. I will catch you guys. Shoot me a text at 850-376-0889 if you want to hop on a call. Talk about what would be best, what type of trading strategy you need in your current situation, whether that be you're in a job and you don't have too much time, or if you're not in a job and you need to, and you have a lot of time to learn and you can make a lot of money because you have that time to invest. Either way, it doesn't matter. I will help you out with your current situation. So shoot me a text again, 850-376-0889, and I will shoot you a text back. Just send me your name, how many bags you're holding, and we're good. We're good. Volume is starting to spike a little bit. We want to see this volume continue to spike. Within the next week, we want to see another big green volume candle, okay? That will just indicate that this isn't a fad. This is not a fake out, that the buyers are still stepping in, and they do see this coin going higher in the future, all right? NFTs are coming out for this coin in the near future. I don't know the exact date, but I know it's coming out. I don't really trade on much news. However, the news is important, don't get me wrong. However, the price action controls everything, all right? In the long term, news is very important, and I always stay updated on it. But I'm not going to sell my entire position because of one measly news article that talks bad about this coin, all right? So stay tuned. Sentiment is what matters. Day-to-day news is really not what matters, even week to week, even month to month, to be quite honest with you, because it can just change within the next month based on what the market sentiment is. You got to realize all these media companies are trying to get your attention, pay for clicks, okay? They pay for your eyes. This world is run on attention now. And if they can get your attention, that means they can make your money, take your money, and make more money. So, just know that every single media source that you consume has some incentive to keep you on that platform for as long as possible, okay? Just like YouTube right here. Let's say I get more ad revenue if you guys watch 10 minutes as opposed to 3 minutes of this video, because I'm getting more of your attention this time. Same thing with news articles. That's why I don't quite trust them too much, but I am open to doing my own research and really looking into if what they are saying is true. And most importantly, this is a mindset tip for all you beautiful people that have stayed for 13 minutes of this video. If the news articles are overall negative, that means the market sentiment is probably changing because the negative will get more clicks. That's the only reason they're posting it, especially if it's big news articles. So the more negative it gets, the more opportunity that you can find in the market, all right? Because everything will be at a discounted price, or whatever the coin or stock it is talking about will be at a discounted price. Like Meta right now, Facebook is at such a low price because of all the news coming out, and yeah, it's nice. I'm actually holding some Meta, but that's besides the point. I don't really care about the politics behind it. I'm just here to make money. You can be Republican, Democrat, Independent. I don't care as long as I make money, and as long as the stock goes up, it's fine with me, my friends. So that being said, let's not leave it on that note, the political note. That never turns out well. But I will catch you guys in the next video. Crypto billionaire 69. Peace.